Have you ever tried everything to manifest something? Affirmations, visualization, positive thinking, and still nothing changed. You believed. You stayed hopeful. You did the work. So why is your life still stuck? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people never tell you. You're not failing to manifest because you don't want it badly enough. You're failing because your subconscious mind is blocking it. And until you understand how that happens, no technique, no matter how popular, will work. In this video, I'll show you how your subconscious controls your reality, why motivation and affirmations often fail, and how to realign your inner state so manifestation actually starts working. Part 1. Conscious versus subconscious mind. Let's start with something simple. Your mind has two parts. The conscious mind, what you think, want, and decide. The subconscious mind, what you feel, believe, and react from. Your conscious mind says, I want abundance. I want love. I want success. But your subconscious might be saying, money isn't safe. Love leads to pain. Success means pressure and responsibility. And here's the key rule. The subconscious always wins. Why? Because it controls your habits, your emotional reactions, your comfort zone, your sense of safety. You don't act based on what you want. You act based on what your subconscious believes is safe. Part 2. Why affirmations don't work for most people. This is where many people get confused. They repeat affirmations like, I am rich, I am confident, I am successful. But inside, their body feels tense, their chest feels tight, their stomach feels anxious. That creates a conflict. Your mouth is saying one thing, your nervous system is saying another. And the subconscious listens to emotion, not words. So if your body feels unsafe, stressed, or fearful, affirmations feel fake, and your mind rejects them. This is why people say, I tried manifestation, it doesn't work. It's not that manifestation failed. It's that the subconscious wasn't included. Part 3. The real block. Emotional memory. Your subconscious is shaped mostly by past experiences, especially childhood conditioning, repeated failures, emotional pain, moments where you felt unsafe or powerless. If you grew up seeing money cause stress, Your subconscious links money with danger. If you experienced rejection or betrayal, your subconscious links closeness with pain. So even when you want something consciously, your subconscious tries to protect you by blocking it. This is not self-sabotage. This is self-protection. Your nervous system isn't trying to ruin your life. It's trying to keep you safe based on old data. And this is exactly why I created my Skool community. Because manifestation isn't just about information. It's about retraining your inner system. Inside the community, I share practical subconscious reprogramming tools, emotional awareness exercises, simple daily practices that actually stick. You're not doing this alone. You're learning with people on the same journey. If that sounds aligned, the link is in the description. Join when you're ready. Part 4. How to remove the subconscious block. Now, let's talk about solutions. You don't fix subconscious by force. You fix it through safety and repetition. Here are 3 steps. Step 1. Notice your body. When you think about what you want, ask, does my body feel open or tense? Calm or anxious? Your body gives you the real answer. Step 2. Regulate before you visualize. Before affirmations or visualization, slow your breathing. Relax your shoulders. Ground yourself. A calm nervous system is an open subconscious. Step 3. Shift identity, not desire. Instead of saying, I want confidence, practice, I am becoming someone who feels safe being seen. Manifestation accelerates when your identity feels safe at a new level. Becoming, not forcing. Here's the truth. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest what your subconscious feels safe holding. So the real work is not chasing goals. It's creating inner safety. When your nervous system relaxes, your energy aligns, your decisions change, and your life responds. Manifestation is not magic. It's alignment. If this video helped you, subscribe for more content on mindset, subconscious healing, and real manifestation. And comment below. What do you feel your subconscious might be protecting you from? And remember, you're not blocked. You're just learning how to listen. YouTube recommends you check out this video in the corner next. It's suggested specifically for you. So click to watch that now. I will see you in the next video.